In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete realms, as well as merge the content of two realms together. So on the left-hand side, I'm going to go to Config, and then I'm going to click Realms. Now here you can see I've got a number of realms, and I have one here that's called Test that I no longer need. So I'm going to click the three dots next to the Test realm, go to More Actions, and then scroll down and click Delete. And here you can see I'm getting a warning that there are two articles that are contained only within the test realm, and I won't be able to access these anymore if I delete the realm. So to illustrate that point, I've got a little diagram here. So if you consider this this realm on the left hand side, that's got item 1 and item 2 just here in realm 1. Now on the right hand side, we've got realm 2. What we're going to do is we're going to merge the two realms so that item 1 and item 2 are in both realm 1 and realm 2. And then that means that we can safely delete realm 1 because the items will be contained in realm 2, so we'll still be able to access them there. So to do that, I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click cancel, and I'm going to click the tree view and click to change it to the list view. And here I can find my test realm and another realm. I'll just select this one, for example. Actually, let's just select this one here, and I'm just going to click merge realms. Now what this will do is it will do exactly what our diagram shown before. It'll merge all of the items that are in test and all of the items that are in the example realm. And if we click continue, it will then, it's come up and said that it's found 589 items, and it's going to basically apply the test realm and the example realm to all of those items. And it's almost done now. You can see here now that 589 items have been put in the test and the example realm. And if I go to over here to content and go to articles, I can find those two articles, article 1 and article 2, and you'll see that they're actually in the test realm as well as the example realm down here. So they're actually in both of those realms. So now if I go back to my realms here, and we'll just go back to the tree view, I can click the three dots next to this test realm, click more actions, click delete, and Fluoro won't give me a warning anymore. It'll basically say that you can delete this realm, because if we do, all the contents that used to be in it are now in another place. So it's totally fine for us to delete it. So I can click confirm delete, and that's how we can delete a realm safely without any other kind of worries or issues.